Hello everyone, in this video I will tell you how you can optimize your system free of cost for the games and you will play lag free compared to previous. Okay, so what are those four settings? Let's apply. Make sure that you watch this video completely. First is power mode, and here in the power mode you can select best performance, right? And then game mode. Here you can put it on, right? Next is graphic setting. Here you will select your games. For example, let's suppose this is a game, options and high performance. Okay, and then save it. So for instance, I will put it on power saving because it is not a game, it is Microsoft Store. And then startup apps. And here I can disable the apps that are unwanted and that start when I boot my system, so I can disable them, right? Make sure that you like this video. Stay connected for more informative videos.